subject followed by a verb in infinitive. So John and his brother need to paint the house. So इसमें आपके पास infinitive verb है to paint. Second example है my friend needs to learn Spanish. He will need to drive alone tonight. So in case आपका जो subject of sentence है वो animate object है, so this will तो ऐसे में need will always be followed by an infinitive form of verb. However, if the subject is an inanimate object, inanimate means something who is not alive, having no spirit. So इसके ऐसे में आपके पास need will be followed by a gerund form of verb or to be followed by a third form of verb, or the past participle. We can see in examples. The grass is an inanimate object, needs cutting. It is a gerund form of verb, or the grass needs to be cut. So that's how you will place in case आपका जो subject of sentence है that is an inanimate object. Second example is the television needs repairing, which is a gerund form